almost did something. It says ride right there.
Let's see how fast he's going.
Okay, let's see how fast he's going.
28.
28 miles per hour.
You want me to roll down the window?
Yes. Man, I forgot to roll down the layer of them honking.
Yeah, because we didn't have time to put your headphones on. What is that one? No, I thought it was a KCS.
Yeah,
Oh, it is.
Oh, it is a KCS. Man, look at how massive he is. It's a grain train.
Yeah.
Man, I didn't even see this train with the drone. But now I do. Alright, there's the end.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, CP and KCS! Oh!
That's
Whoa!
cool.
KCSC, Canadian Pacific, KCS. A guy! True CP hopper. So how many cars?
Ooh, 98.